Welcome to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. My name is Chris, and today I've got a really cool truck for you. It's a 1978 Ford F250 Ranger. Now this truck's been through a full frame-off restoration, brand new paint, brand new glass, brand new American Racing 17-inch wheels, and this truck is absolutely amazing, guys. This is definitely a really high-end build, a really nice truck. As we start our way up front here, grille, your headlights, your bumpers, even your Ford logo there on the front of the hood is all brand new. The paint is a really pretty forest green with some metallic flake in there, and it just really pops in the sunlight. I'm sure the video does not do this any justice. You do have 35-inch tires with a 17-inch rim. Definitely gives this truck a really cool look, and it's lifted 4 inches as well. Overall, everything is very nice. All your trim here is brand new. Your Ford Ranger logo there is in great condition. All your gaps around the hood and the door are nice and even all the way down. It sits nice and flush against the back cab here. Overall, your drip rail's in great condition. Your mirror looks brand new. Guys, they literally replaced everything on this truck. Like I said, it's literally like brand new. As we work our way down the back side of the bed here, it's all in great condition. As I look down the side of the truck, I don't see any waves or dents or anything like that, so the body work was done properly. We'll go ahead and check the gas cap like we always do. It's nice and clean, don't see any dirt in there. You've got the 35s in the back as well with the 17-inch American Racing rim. All your lights work on this. Everything from the headlights to your marker lights back here to your tail lights are all brand new and they work like they should. As we work our way around the back here, you do have a heavy-duty silver painted rear bumper here. You've got a place for a trailer hitch ball that you can put right there if you want to tow a bass boat or a jet ski. All right, guys, let me open up the tailgate here. You've got an extra large bed here, guys, to do anything that you need, from putting drywall sheets to putting lumber if you want to use it for that. That's one thing that I really like about pickup trucks. They're dual purpose. You can drive them as like a classic show truck, or you can use it to go to Home Depot and pick up some things for the weekend projects. But overall, super nice. Another key benefit is you do have the Rhino lining back here, so you're not worried about scratching up your beautiful paint. This stuff is very tough, but overall, super clean back here. But with that being said, let's go check out this 400 under the hood. All right, guys, check out this detailed engine bay. If Justin will go ahead and just show you some of the hardware on the fenders, on the hood brackets, your hinges, all the hardware underneath here, even down to your hood latch here is brand new. Guys, they went the extra mile to make sure everything was done right on this truck. You have a 400 crate motor from Jasper, as well as a brand new C6 transmission. Both of these, I don't really know the exact miles on it, but I'd say somewhere around 10,000 miles on the transmission and engine. But overall, guys, this truck is absolutely amazing. If Justin will pan up and show the bottom of that hood, they even took the extra step to paint that hood the same as the exterior of this truck. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Another thing that they did on this as well, they upgraded the carburetor to a 4-barrel. This truck originally came with a 2-barrel carburetor, and for you Ford guys out there, you guys know that definitely choked the horsepower on this motor. But overall, everything underneath the engine bay is nice and neat. It's had the right upgrades, but pretty much restored back to original just with new stuff. But with that being said, let's go ahead and check out this beautiful interior. All right, check out this beautiful interior. I'd have to say right off the bat, my favorite part is this beautiful brown leather seat. This truck probably originally came with a green colored fabric seat, but guys, this brown leather just definitely takes this cab to a next level. I even like the 3-spoke wood grain steering wheel. Everything in this interior, guys, is brand new, all the way from the gauges to the carpet to the dash pad to the headliner. Everything is brand new, and you can tell by just leaning your head in here and taking a smell. Everything smells brand new. You do have a retro sound stereo system. You've got some upgraded speakers as well in here. It just has a really good sound. Not a ton of bass, but overall will sound good with just about any music that you play. Your lights and your wipers do work. Your turn signals work. Everything underneath or inside the interior here is functional and working properly, and it's literally brand new. I mean, even down to the brake release, it's brand new. But guys, with that being said, let's go take this one for a drive. guys, we're out cruising on this beautiful day here in Atlanta, cruising in a beautiful truck. And guys, this thing drives like it did when it was brand new. I'll go ahead and roll up this window just so we don't have any wind noise. But guys, the transmission on this truck shifts nice and firm. All the gauges are working properly. The needles aren't jumping around like you see on some of these older vehicles with the original gauges. Fuel gauge works. You got some dummy lights here for oil and fasten seat belts and stuff like that. You do have a retro sound stereo system. But guys, overall, this thing just drives like a beauty. I can literally take my hand off the wheel and it tracks pretty straight. Just a great driving truck. You know, a truck that's lifted like this, you would think it'd be real bouncy and stiff, but man, this thing drives like a dream. And that's what you expect from a truck that's been frame off and all new parts, all new shocks, all new leaf springs, everything's new on it. But man, this thing drives as nice as a brand new pickup truck, but looks way better. Overall, just a really nice truck. Wipers do work. I'll show you that there. Brakes feel amazing. They're not super spongy. Steering's nice and tight. It's not floaty. As you can tell in the video, I'm not fighting it back and forth. Like I said, guys, this truck is just absolutely amazing and drives like a brand new truck. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get back to the dealership and I'll show you how beautiful the underside of this truck is. All right, guys, we're back at the shop. I've got the truck up on the lift. We'll start up front here. Take a look at your front leaf springs here. They're in awesome condition. Your bumper brackets are in good condition. Your frame is nice and straight. Don't see any signs of damage. You've got your radiator, it's nice and dry. You do have your transmission lines there that are routed nice and clean. You've got a Dana 44 axle up front, very strong axle with some really nice big disc brakes up front. That's what really gives you that nice firm pedal and gives you a nice good stopping power for this beautiful F250 truck. As we work our way back here, your oil pan on your engine's dry. Your trans pan is dry as well. You do have dual exhaust ran back here to a single. It's ran all the way back. It looks like 3-inch once it hits the Y pipe here. You do have your transfer case here. It's got a nice color of blue paint on it. It's in really good condition, no leaks. Your frame has all been painted in black. Once again, just to give you a little reminder, this was a frame off restoration on this truck. So everything was taken off and reconditioned and replaced. And overall in really good condition. If you take a look at your floor pans here, they're all in really good condition. You don't see any signs of anything being cut or welded in. Overall, just really, really clean. All through here. One thing you might notice, there is a little bit, that is just the undercoating that is coming off. It is not any kind of Bondo or anything like that. We have verified that. That is just some of the undercoating that was put on this truck when it was restored. It is just kind of coming off. This side over here is nice and clean. As we work our way back here, all your wiring is tucked up nice and neat along the frame rails there. As we get back to the back here, you do have a Dana 60 rear end, so really strong rear end out back. You've got drum brakes. They're nice and dry. Don't see any axle seals leaking. You do have some rough country shocks here, as well as a brand new leaf spring. Once again, this truck has been lifted 4 inches, so it gives you that nice, good lifted truck look, and it's been done with a flip kit here and some shackles. But overall, very, very clean truck. You do have a new aluminum pan or gas tank back here, but overall, just a really clean truck, guys. If you're interested in this beautiful F250, give us a call because we do not see it lasting long. You can reach us at 770-738-7111. You can go to our website at Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta and view all the pictures on this truck as well at Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. But with that being said, we'll catch you on the next one.